Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri from BiancoLand, and today we're going to do a little bit of potting. This is kind of an introduction on, I guess, doing herb gardening and kind of just getting going. I recently signed up for this project called the FreeSeedProject. They gave me a bunch of free seeds from everything from like lettuces, Swiss chard, beets, radishes, chives, and a bunch of other different stuff. And so I already have 400 square feet of raised beds out in my backyard. But now I have all these free seeds. I'd like to actually garden and kind of go along with this free project, get some free vegetables and herbs, share them with my friends and neighbors. And so to do that, we're actually going to do these little pots. We're going to fill them with potting soil, and then I'm going to kind of make a little video series of how this is going. So each one of these pots is only $8.99 at Lowe's. I'm not so sure how many quarts they are, but they're fairly good size. They're not too big, so they'd be easy to move if I need to. And then this bag here was like $11.97. And I'm not sponsored for anybody, but this is just the Moisture Max potting mix. I'm just getting something that'd be easy to grow in. It retains moisture well, has good aeration so the air can get to the roots of the plants and the plants can grow fairly easily. So let's dive on in and fill these pots. Okay, so I've filled these up. I mean, they're probably 3 or 4 inches from the top. I might add just a little bit more in here, but these are gonna get set out in our back patio, and we're gonna throw in some seeds here in a little bit, and we'll start this growing and see how this project goes. Thanks for watching BiancoLand. Don't forget to subscribe if you like these videos, and as always, until next time.